Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Elitebook off completely. Do not use sleep. Once done, unplug the charger and any peripherals so you avoid shorts. Remove the removable battery or latch. This isolates circuits and prevents damage. Make sure to ground yourself. Static can fry the SSD. Keep screws organized in a small container so you don't lose track. Now get a Phillips PH0 screwdriver ready, because you'll open the bottom panel next and access the drive bay directly. You'll remove the bottom cover by unscrewing all visible screws and gently prying along the seams. A plastic pry tool helps. Once the panel lifts, identify the M2 slot. Elitebook 840 uses a single M2 2280 slot near the fan or memory. Make sure you note the SSD orientation. The gold edge connector faces the slot. Then, use a small screwdriver to back out the standoff screw that secures the drive, keeping that tiny screw safe for reinstallation. Gently lift the SSD at a slight angle, about 20 to 30 degrees, and slide it out along the connector. Do not yank. Once removed, store it in an anti-static bag or replace with a new drive. Reattach the standoff screw, reassemble the bottom cover, and reconnect the battery and power. Power on and confirm the system boots to BIOS. If the drive isn't detected, reseat the module, verify the screw isn't stripping the connector, and update BIOS. Those steps usually resolve detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.